Okay, here's my bike. It's a 1970s Columbia Bromleigh. And you know, these have gone up to like $200 on eBay and up. And this one was free. Anyway, here's what I did. This is the brakes that won't adjust correctly. I finally got this undone. And I was able to pull the cable up just a little bit tighter. And this is the other adjuster. So now I have the brakes lined up much closer than they were before. But if you look on this side, first of all, I don't know why this still moves, the whole bracket moves back and forth. But also on this side, this got bent. So this sticks out a little bit, so the brake pad doesn't fit evenly. On the new Caliper brakes for like $13, I would just have to make sure that this bolt length is not too long for those to go in. I don't know if those came with a bolt to bolt it to the frame, but I think I have them where it'll stop now. I'm gonna go take a ride and find out. I think I got it good enough to ride to the store and back. That's what I was doing, because coming down the hill where the groceries in the basket, I need brakes. But it's kind of not really. They don't stop on a dime. It takes like almost 5 feet to stop. So I don't know if that's good or bad. I just noticed the fender might be rubbing. I don't know why that happened. I guess it's not rubbing the tire. It's a little bent out of shape. Also, the front one, I think this got bent, but I don't know how to bend it back. Right here. That's the other fender support. So, I don't know if I should buy those rear brakes and just put new ones on.